good morning, dear Swissies and Switzerland lovers. We are right now, Rasta and I, on the leash because it is a nature protecting zone. We are right now at Engstlensee. It is a little bit above Innertkirchen, and I just met some funny cows. They go down to the lower areas. Yeah, soon all the cows are down in the valleys in about 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah. And now we come soon to the Engstlensee. Oh yes, we are here right now. What a beautiful place. Yeah, it's a little bit sad that Rasta is not allowed to run around, but yeah, he can handle it for once. Yeah, baby. Today I was a little bit thinking about my life, and I want to talk about pressure because, you know, I have many comments and mails or whatever from people who say, "Oh, I want to have your life." And well, I'm sure they want to have this part of my life, the outside part, you know what I mean? Yeah, but it is more than this. Yeah, some of you maybe know. It's boring, Rasta. Should I talk about something else? Yeah, maybe, yeah. But you know, it's not the pressure that people are putting to me. No, it's the pressure I put on myself, you know? Yeah, because no one is, zwingt mich ja niemand dazu. No one is pushing me to do something. It's me. Yeah, so that's why sometimes I just have to go out and just to take a deep breath out in the nature to calm my mind a little bit. Yeah, and to sort some things in my mind. Yeah, to Erde sagt man them, to come down to earth again. Yeah, and to see the good things. Rasta baby. Huh? Yeah, is it nice? You want to go for a swim, girl? But darfst nicht. No, you are not allowed. Schatzi potzi, gell? I mean, I was an employee for many years, but at the same time, I was a self-employer as a DJ, as a coach, as a photographer, you know? So I know both sides. And as an employee, you have no pressure. Yeah, maybe when you have a boss who says, "Oh, you have to do this and this and this and this in this time." Yeah, you maybe have pressure too. But you don't have the pressure to earn money or to find corporations or, you know. Yeah, it depends a little bit on what job you have, I know. Yeah, but I mean, I have a wonderful life, you know. Yeah, really, and I have chosen my life by myself. And the only thing that is sometimes a little bit difficult is to handle with the pressure. Yeah, it's only in my mind. Nowhere else. Come, baby, come. Come on, baby. We should go on a boat trip, Rasta. Yeah, but I don't know if we just can go on the boats. I don't know. Oh, look at how nice. The reflections. Ooh. And the color. Look, ist das schön. You know, in summer it is so busy. Yeah, it's still summer, but it is late summer. And it's during the week, so there's no one here. Cool, huh? Yeah, you know, these are the situations then I'm searching for. When I have too much pressure in my head, yeah, I need to calm down. I have no reason to worry about anything at the moment. But you know these days, yeah, there are some days your head is just thinking without your agreement, and then it's thinking and thinking and thinking, and no one knows why. Yeah, and in the next day, everything is good again. Huh? Oh, Rasta, look, we have double sun. Yeah, people were asking why there is a double sun, but it's logic. The sun is low, and that's why there is a reflection in the lake. And then we have a double sun. Yeah, it's not a fake. No fake, no Photoshop. It's just a double sun, huh? Oh, Rasta, you are not in my picture, so now it's better. Huh? I mean, there are not only days thinking about pressure, right? Some days you think about, I don't know, your life plan. Sometimes you think about how to pay your bills. There's always something to think about. Yeah? The thing is, when you think too much about something and you can't stop your mind from thinking, you need to find a way to calm your mind. And my way is definitely to go out into the Mother Nature and say, hello, Mother Nature. I need your calming vibes. Yeah, and then it's getting much better. Yeah, I think the dog is agree. Or maybe the dog is just saying, hey, stop and just enjoy. Huh? As I do. Yeah, I think you're alright. And you know what I do often when I think too much? I just go for a walk and I talk about it. Yeah, with myself. Sometimes loud. I'm just talking with myself. Yeah, crazy, right? And sometimes I just talk with my partner. Yeah. And then it's out, you know? Yeah. I think when you think too much, you have to talk about it. Yeah, you know, then it's not in your brain anymore. It is outside. Yeah. Sometimes very simple. Yeah, I could think, so who is interested in what I'm saying? But you even shouldn't think about this. Just let it out. Someone will listen. Maybe. And if not, it's out anyway. I just imagine when I was younger, a teenager, I was thinking so much more about everything. Yeah. And you know, at this time I had not this positivity. Yeah, I still focused on the bad things. And I was thinking, oh, my life will never be good again. Yeah, you know, stuff teenagers were thinking about it. But if a teenager is listening now, hey, everything will come back to good, okay? Yeah, but you have to stop thinking about the bad things. Yeah, they are always around us, you know. But there are also good things around us. There's always both. And you are doing the decision on what you keep your focus. Yeah? And I do a promise now. When you focus on the good things, yeah, they will happen. Okay? And same with the different focus. Yeah? It's there are rules, you know. There are rules. You know, during your life, you will do so many decisions. Yeah, and you will do so many mistakes. But someone told me you're not only, wat is het maar, du bist nicht einfach. You are not only, you can change yourself. You know what I mean? So you're not just as you are. You are able to change. Yeah, in every decision, you are able to change. And if you made mistakes, so you are able to do the decision to not do the same mistakes again. Yeah, it's very simple. And don't think too much about your mistakes, okay? Everyone is doing mistakes. That's, wie sagt man dem? Menschlich. It's human, you know? You know what is probably the best thing you can do? Just sitting somewhere at the lake with your best friend. If ferry or not, doesn't matter. And just enjoy the silence. You are too active for silence, girl. I know. Rasta is not a patient dog. And, you know, he gets his winter fur. Yeah. And there is one very, very important thing. Yeah, after all, don't forget, after hunting some money or doing 20 hours for your job, don't forget life in the meantime. Especially when you have children or dogs or whatever. You know, life is so short. Yeah, don't forget to enjoy life. Yeah, as Rasta does. Yeah? I mean, this is another thing. Yeah, the meaning of success. Yeah, for many people, the meaning of success is to have a big car and a big house and a big boat, lots of money on the bank account. But for me, success is to live a happy life, and it doesn't matter how much money you have. Yeah, of course, it would be nice to have food every day. It would be nice to have something over your head, somewhere you can sleep every day, but the most important thing is to be happy. Yeah, there are some groups or some communities somewhere down in deep Africa, I don't know where, or on other places on the world. They have nothing, you know. They have maybe some animals, some goats, but they have nothing. And when you look into their faces, they just have a happy face. So don't tell me that money makes you happy. Yeah, I know. In some area it is necessary to have some money. In Switzerland, yeah, you need to have some money, of course. So that's why I have to work a lot. But I mean, in some areas they just take what Mother Nature is giving to them, and it's enough, you know. So we always have to think about what makes us really happy. Yeah, and it's not the money, I swear. When you lie in your bed before you die, you won't think about your money you have on your bank account. I'm quite sure. you will think about your loved ones. Weißt du, was ich meine? Yeah. And maybe you think about, yeah, did I miss something in my life? And I hope for you that you say, no, everything is fine. Oh, that was a philosophical video today, huh? Yeah, but sometimes it's worthy to talk about what you're thinking. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little trip to Engstlensee with my little thoughts about life. Yeah, and yeah, we see us in the next video. Gell? Ciao!